How to create a custom layout on Wix. So everything that you actually customize is already considered a custom layout. However, if you want to create a custom layout on a specific element, like for example, on this case is this gallery, you can just head over and click on that particular gallery, then click on this layout option. Now in here, you can just change up the columns that it will support. Example is choosing here 5, and it will actually put in here this particular layout. Now for this one, let me just head over and then click on this design option. Now in here, you can choose a standard gallery design and you can just choose which one you want to use for this case. So it will automatically create something like that. Now it will also be a customized layout if you add or remove some few more images on this particular grid. So you just click on this change images and then add or remove some images that you want removed or added onto your website. So that's how you create a custom layout on Wix. Hope this video helped you out.